How to log in to Capitec Bank online banking account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily log in to Capitec Bank online banking account. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open your web browser, and then on the search bar, go ahead and type in www.capitecbank.co.za and press enter. After you hit enter, you land on their official page. Just simply go ahead and click on online banking at the top right corner, and in this login page, go ahead and enter your username and your password. And if you haven't forgot your password, go ahead and click on forgot password link, and then you'll be able to reset your password. After you are done with everything, go ahead and click on sign in, and then you'll be able to log into your Capitec Bank online. After that, you can get your access to your online banking account, which manages your payment, check your transaction, or simply transfer funds from one bank to another. And that's it, guys. Thank you everyone for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned till our next upload.